Hi, I'm Christoph from HEIDENHAIN and I'm here at the SPS Italia 2026. We developed a new product, the ILC, which is an absolute linear encoder for modern automation. With its wide mounting tolerances, small scanning head and the inductive scanning principle, it is robust against dirt, vibration and magnetic interference. Let's have a look on the product. We developed an IP67 scanning head, which is, for example, for conveyor systems, linear motor axis or robot axis. And on the same page, we developed an IP40 scanning head, for example, for the medical use. Both scanning heads deliver data with the trusted Ender 2.2 interface. If you are interested, please come to our booth and discuss with us the advantages of this product.